Hey guys, what's up? What is up? QE Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So today is day number 4 of the DIY landscaping. Just to clarify, somebody said, DIY, that means doing it yourself. Well, DIY was not hiring a contractor, not hiring a landscaper, doing it myself, meaning I would hire some laborers to do the majority of the heavy lifting, and then I would supervise and plan everything. So doing it myself, DIY. So today, there's only one of us. I got two of us. I got my father-in-law up here. So here is the front and what we're doing. So let me talk about a couple things. One, in the Philippines, this is considered their topsoil, and a lot of people call it garden soil or topsoil, but it is really sandy because we do live on an island. The whole Philippines is nothing but islands. I think 8,000 islands. So I went ahead and ordered another load of that topsoil. This one looked really bad. It's full of gravel and garbage and sticks and stones and fucking big chunk of concrete over there. But, you know, it is what it is. So my wife took out all the plants. So this whole section will be soiled with that. And you can see we did the whole front. We did all the side. And I ordered a load of gravel. So today, my father-in-law and I are building a walkway. So my plan is to, I bought all this cheap wood. This wood was only 65 pesos per board. And I mean, it's not real good, but it'll not real good wood, but it'll serve its purpose. I just need it for a form. So we're gonna put 6-inch barrier, I guess you'd call it a border, here and over here. And then I'm gonna pour concrete walkways, stepping stones, pavers, my dad calls them. They don't call them pavers here. So we'll be doing some 1 meter, this is 2 meters, and we'll be doing 1 meter pavers, and then we'll be filling it all in with gravel. Actually, if you look back here, it'll look pretty similar. I guess it'll look pretty similar to this, but there'll be gravel on both sides. And the pavers will have I think we're gonna do some sort of either decoration or broken tile, something to, I just don't want plain. So we're gonna do something. And I bought these pavers, but they're really short, they're really small. So I'm not gonna use those. So I'll be making our own pavers. And we'll be putting a little bit of gravel with it, sand and the cement. And I bought a bunch of rebar so that we can make sure everything's reinforced and it won't crack. But let me help my dad. All right, guys, it is 11 o'clock. I got busy helping my father-in-law set up these forms, and now he's starting to pour the concrete. And my sister-in-law and mother-in-law actually came up to help. So this is what we got so far. So this is the rails, the border. So we'll have the border. And then we'll have, I made one. This will be the stepping stone. And then I need to make more of these forms so we can do like 6 at a time. And then the rest will be gravel. And then our plan is to start with this section first with that fertilizer, mix it with this, get some frog grass and get it planted. Fuck, it is hot. Hot out in that sun, I tell you. So we're gonna do the front yard a little at a time. do this section first and that triangle with the sidewalk. So the sidewalk will be the border, and then we will go over. I know a lot of you are gonna say, why didn't I put rebar? And the answer is, I don't know. I did buy rebar for this, but my father-in-law didn't put it in. He said I don't need it. So I don't know. I'd like to get some in these stones because I don't want these to crack. Nobody's gonna really step on these, but those, I'm 320 pounds. Don't want them cracking. All right, well, that's what we got so far. I just ordered a load of sand and 3 more bags of cement mix. So we'll see how it goes. I may need some more gravel. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's take a look. This will be it for today. We're losing our power at 12 o'clock, 12 to 5, and I ran out of sand. I know I didn't have enough sand. I ordered some, but it's not going to be here until probably tomorrow morning. So that's how it is in the Philippines. Anytime you order something, it usually takes a while to get. So it's not on demand. It's not Amazon. So we got that coming. So this is what we got so far. This was my design that I did, my rough drawing, and you can see it came to fruition. It's coming. So if we had enough cement or sand, we'd be able to finish it all today. Also, I ran out of these, what were they, 65 peso boards. So we'll pour it and then just reuse these, because I don't feel like riding back in there and buying more. Maybe I will. If we're losing power, I need something to do. Actually, maybe I will. I need 3 more sets, so that's 3, 6, 9, about 9 more boards. Maybe I will run in there and get some more. I also need those angles. You see how I did the angles? I used those angle, I don't know what they're called, angle iron things. And my phone's getting hot. It's getting ready to shut off. And then I'm gonna put this triangle here. So need 2 or 3 more squares. So yeah, maybe I will run in, get 9 more pieces, finish this off. So we'll be ready to pour the cement tomorrow. All right, guys, I will pick this up again tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back. Hey guys, it is currently 9 p.m. I guess it's the best time to work because it's only 80 degrees. There are a few mosquitoes, but let me show you what happened today. I think I'm actually gonna end the video and then I'll make a new video for tomorrow so that it's not too long. But so in the Philippines, you hear me say this a lot. It's hot, very humid. And honestly, the best time to work is either early in the morning or apparently late at night. So got my wife and sister-in-law planting grass. I do have the flash on. So we actually decided to go with the Carabao grass. The main reason was the price. And it's basically kind of the same thing. It grows along the ground, so you don't have to cut it. So they went to the garden place. How much is this bag, hon? 300. So they got a hell of a deal on this. So for the frog grass, they wanted 250 pesos per square meter at the flower shop, which is ridiculously overpriced. But the only way to get it is to go all the way towards Manila, or buy it from the flower shops and having it delivered, but you got to buy, you know, quite a lot. So we decided to do this. It's cheaper. Let me show you what I got here. I did manage to get all the forms built today. You see all the forms? So tomorrow when that sand shows up, because it didn't show up today, all we got to do is pour the concrete. You can see that one is completely done. And we just need to pour this one. I even made a corner piece there. And then I put some plastic bottles, the plastic on the corners so that they're rounded, because if they're pointy, they're just gonna chip. So I decided to cut a plastic bottle and put that on there. Yeah, so I got these spaced out at, what were they? 12. And because there's a little turn, not sure how that happened, I put 12-inch on the one side and 13 so that it gradually, just gradually makes this turn. And then I got that triangle piece there. I also, check this out. I bought a bunch of that wood. I went to City Hardware 3 times today for that wood. Look at this. So I'll paint that tomorrow. This is my little farm fence. I'm pretty proud of that. Nice fence, huh, hon? My farm fence. The reason why I built this is because we're gonna plant grass in this section here. And I think they're actually gonna do it tonight. I'm exhausted, so I won't be working anymore tonight, but I'll let them do it. So what I'm gonna do now, actually, I am gonna do a little work. I'm gonna spread that topsoil. So let me show you that. It's nice and cool. The humidity's definitely down 80 degrees. Not too bad when there's no humidity. So I'm gonna be spreading this out. So, all right, let me get to it. All right, guys, let's see what it looks like now before I turn in for the night. Much better. So now it has a black color. So yeah, I sprinkled it with a dipper all over the top, about 1/4 inch. Not too much, only had that one bag, but. So Christine and I actually have a competition going on. She's planting grass on just the dirt, topsoil. They call it garden soil. And I'm planting my grass on the loam. Is that the right name? Loam. It's like a mix, a bag mix of manure, carbonated rice hull, a couple different ingredients, coconut husks and a bunch of crap, but it's supposed to have a lot of nutrients and vitamins and what have you. So that's why on my section it's black. So I went ahead and spread that on this. We're going to do this area first. And then on their area, they're doing just that topsoil. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up for the night. I just wanted to do a shout out to, I think I just hit 3,500 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, honestly, I wouldn't have the money to be doing all this stuff right now. The extra, what is it, $500 or $600 a month that I've been making on YouTube has really helped out a lot, helping us do a lot of the projects. So thank all you guys for watching and thank you for your support. All right, guys, I'm sweating. All right, guys, until next time, peace.